Sam, just landed this fish right here. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice fish.
Oh yeah, baby.
Grab him.
I will.
Don't let him go in.
Look at that sucker. Jackson, come look at this. No, Jackson.
Just pick him up by the mouth.
Oh, I will. Yeah, no, this is gonna hurt.
Just grab him hard.
How is it?
Well, hurry up so he doesn't die. He'll sit down on the ground.
Oh. Oh. Holy crap, dude.
Hold him up. Oh wow, that's an easy 5 pounds.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling this thing. Easy 5-pounder.
Oh yeah? Oh, it's not just 5 pounds, oh yeah, 5 pounds?
Oh yeah.
Alright, that's a nice fish.